The holidays are a time for warmth, laughter, and most importantly, mouth-watering food. Imagine a table laden with a glistening honey-glazed ham and a golden herb roasted chicken. These dishes are not just meals, they are a celebration of festive flavors that bring everyone together. With simple ingredients and easy steps, you can create a feast that will be the highlight of your holiday gatherings. Using fresh herbs and a homemade glaze, these recipes transform traditional holiday fare into something extraordinary. The sweet and savory notes of the honey glaze complement the robust herbs on the chicken, creating a symphony of flavors. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a beginner, these dishes are designed to impress without stress. The beauty of these recipes lies in their simplicity, combined with their spectacular flavors. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring that your holiday feast is as enjoyable to prepare as it is to eat. Let's make this holiday season unforgettable with dishes that are as special as the occasion. To start, gather your ingredients for both dishes to ensure a smooth cooking experience. For the honey-glazed ham, you'll need a pre-cooked ham, honey, Dijon mustard, butter, cloves, and brown sugar. These ingredients will create a rich caramelized glaze that's absolutely divine. For the herb-roasted chicken, focus on freshness. Grab a whole chicken, fresh herbs like rosemary, thyme, and parsley, garlic, olive oil, and lemon. These ingredients will infuse the chicken with vibrant flavors, making it juicy and aromatic. It's all about using quality, fresh ingredients that will elevate the taste of your dishes. Before you start cooking, make sure you have all the necessary kitchen tools. You'll need a roasting pan for the chicken, a baking dish for the ham, a basting brush, and kitchen twine for trussing the chicken. Preparing ahead will make the cooking process much more enjoyable and less hectic. Begin with the honey-glazed ham. Preheat your oven to a moderate temperature. Score the surface of the ham in a diamond pattern and stud with cloves. This not only adds flavor, but also makes for a stunning presentation. Place the ham in your baking dish. In a saucepan, melt butter and mix in brown sugar, honey, and Dijon mustard. Heat the mixture until it becomes a smooth glaze. This combination of ingredients creates a sweet and slightly tangy flavor that is irresistible. Carefully pour half of this glaze over the ham, ensuring it seeps into the scored cuts. Every 20 minutes, baste the ham with the remaining glaze. This will enhance the flavor and ensure the ham remains moist and tender. After about 1.5 hours, or once the ham reaches a beautiful golden brown color, remove it from the oven. Let it rest before slicing. This allows the juices to redistribute, making the ham even more succulent. To prepare your herb-roasted chicken, start by preheating your oven. Rinse the chicken and pat it dry with paper towels. This helps the skin get really crispy. Truss the legs and tuck the wing tips under the body. This helps the chicken cook evenly and retain its juices. Rub the chicken with olive oil and then generously season it inside and out with salt and pepper. Chop your fresh herbs and garlic and mix them with a bit of lemon zest. This herb mixture will give your chicken a fresh, zesty flavor that's perfect for the holidays. Stuff the herb mixture inside the chicken cavity and under the skin. This infuses the meat with rich flavors throughout. Roast the chicken in the preheated oven until the skin is golden brown and the juices run clear. The aroma of roasting herbs will fill your kitchen, creating a cozy, festive atmosphere.